Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott front shock for Lexus GX470 J120 and Toyota Land Cruiser Prado J120. This video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth installation of your vehicle's suspension system. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Remove the front wheel and locate and disconnect the electronic dampener. Next, remove the sensor and the bracket from the top of the strut. Now remove the 3 top mounting nuts and disconnect the sway bar end links from both sides of the vehicle. Continue by removing the brake line bracket from the spindle assembly on both sides of the vehicle. Now remove the cotter pin from the castle nuts and remove the nuts from the upper ball joints. Use a ball joint remover tool to loosen and remove the ball joints on both sides. Then remove the bottom mounting nuts and bolt. Now rotate the sway bar up and pull the spindle down to remove the strut assembly. Use a spring compressor tool for the following removal steps and refer to the spring compressor instructions for proper procedures and safety hazards. Now remove the top nut, the washer, the upper mount, and the coil spring from the OE assembly. The upper mount and the coil spring will be reused on the new assembly. Next, install the new shock into the spring compressor. Then remove the top nuts and upper washer from the new shock. Now it's time to install the OE spring onto the new shock, making sure that the spring keys into the lower spring perch as shown. Then compress the spring and install the top mount, upper washer with the flat side facing up, and the top nut. Carefully release spring pressure from the new strut assembly. Install the new shock onto the vehicle in the reverse order of removal. Leave the electronic damper plug disconnected and tie the back away from moving parts and excessive heat. Thanks for following our guide on installing a new Arnott shock for your Lexus or Toyota. A proper installation is key to maximizing the performance and longevity of your suspension system. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.